Car wash anyone? $10 only. Car wash.
My unicorn is dirty. Hi, could you clean my unicorn?
Yeah, sure. Why not? You can wait over there.
Don't forget to brush roommates.
Oh, okay.
Don't forget to brush your tail.
Okay.
And don't forget to clean our roofs.
Fine.
Hurry up! I need to go soon.
Yes, all finished. Hey, aren't you forgetting something?
Nope.
You need to pay.
But I don't have any money.
No money? Then you need to work.
Okay. Car wash. Does anyone need a car wash? $10. Car wash.
Ah, there's your customer. Good luck.
Can you clean my motorcycle? Okay. Great. Oh, thanks. Looks nice. Oh, thank you. Finished.
Awesome!
Wow!
Huh? $20? Yeah, keep the change. Wow, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Finished?
Sorry, I was not very nice to you. Here are your $10.
Thank you. I think you even got a tip from Akim.
Yes, he gave me $10 extra.
See? It's better to be nice to people.
It is. Sorry again.
No worries. Enjoy riding your clean unicorn.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
What is that? Nice, a doll. Weird. It looks like Amelia. Some more food, Avelina?
Okay. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Amelia. Blah 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 blah.
Amelia! What's wrong with you?
Weird doll. What's happening to me?
I don't know. I will get you some water.
Okay. You know what? I'll bring that doll to Amelia.
Here, Amelia.
Thank you. Oh, I'm all wet.
I'll get you a towel.
What's going on? Oh, hi, Amelia. I found a doll that looks just like you. Not now, but Amelia. I'm not feeling well. Fine, whatever.
What?
Ooh, I see. This is going to be so much fun. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, yes. Now get me some candy, please. No. You go. Now. I'll get you for this. Avelina! Help me! That Amelia controls me!
I'll help you, Amelia. Police, can you come? Yes, it's urgent. Thank you.
Oh, there you are! That took you some time. Oh, I will get you for this! Oh, so cute! Oh yeah? What are you two girls going to do? Not us, but the police will. Funny guys, the police. Bye! Oh! Enjoy, Belle Amelia! Bye! I'll get you next time, kids! Next time! Bye! Whoa, she's fast! Nice shoes! That's why she's running so fast! Whoa, and jump so high! I also want those sneakers. I can run away faster!
6, 7, 8.
Nice exercise!
Hooray!
Huh? Bye! My shoes! Uh-oh! Those are my shoes! I wanted to jump high and run fast with his magic shoes! What? Magic shoes? Yeah! They're not magic, you just need to exercise more to jump high and run fast. Really? Yeah, and not eat junk food. Fine, take your shoes. I don't need them. Don't forget to exercise.